What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about some crazy things that are happening in the streaming world. We have some changes from Twitch and some changes from YouTube Live, but they're pretty interesting. The YouTube changes are really welcome and some great things. The Twitch changes, not so much, but interesting enough, and we're going to see what that's going to be like. But before we jump in, guys, let's give a shout out and thank you to our sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is the place to go, guys, if you're looking for some fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're just looking to pick up some new alert graphics. Don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about most of these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you can change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you guys are looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. Alright, guys, so coming to Twitch, and I'm sure you've all heard of this before, we have Twitch's paid boost feature. And this is reportedly live currently as of October 28th on the platform. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is, basically the Twitch paid boost feature is basically a feature where not you, but your viewers can pay real life money to Twitch to boost your stream to get you more discoverability. Now, on paper, right, this sounds good, but in my opinion, it's not. I'm kind of against it. I mean, if it happens to me and my channel gets flagged as someone who gets the boost feature and we can test it out, we can really kind of see how this will work. But to me, this kind of seems like a way for the bigger streamers who are already dominating, right? Because there's really no discoverability on the platform. If you're at the top with a ton of viewers, you're going to continuously gain more viewers who are browsing in that category. So let's take someone who's streaming on Twitch and they have 15 to 20,000 viewers, and all those viewers are now boosting their stream even more, right? That's going to completely supersede any streamer who has, maybe 10 to 20 viewers whose viewers are boosting their stream. I feel like it's going to make that gap even further. Right? One change I can see to this boost feature being good for people would be that maybe it's only for streamers who have less than 200 viewers, maybe. I don't really see a reason why Goliath streamers, like massive streamers with huge followings and huge concurrent viewership, need a boost feature. So to me, this is kind of a bad change for Twitch. Could be wrong. We need to see it more. I haven't seen a channel with it in particular, but it is apparently being tested on the platform currently. So I guess we can get a little bit more information on that when we see it in action. But my initial views on that are that this is not going to be too good of a feature for people trying to grow and gain discoverability, right? The people who are already discovered and have a massive following, there's not really any reason why they need this boost feature. But I guess we can see. And another really kind of crazy thing about this is that, so, okay, you're a smaller streamer. Let's say you have 50 viewers, right? And most people have way less than that when you're first starting out, obviously. But let's say you have 50 viewers, right? And now they are paying to boost your stream. So now that is money that they're paying to boost your stream. That money is going to Twitch instead of them using that money to directly support you as a streamer by subbing or donating bits or whatever it is. So that is, in my opinion, it's kind of Twitch's way of saying like, hey, let's take this feature of discoverability that we don't currently have on our platform. Let's implement a form of discoverability, but make these streamers' viewers pay for it. That's kind of what it feels like to me. But again, I'm open-minded about this. I could be wrong. We got to really see what it's like in a live format and when it starts actually going live on all channels. So we'll get back to that. We'll obviously make another video once we have more evidence on that. But that's pretty much all the Twitch news. This is a pretty big thing going on right now. And, if you guys have seen a channel with the boost feature enabled, let me know down in the comments below, because I haven't seen it yet, but apparently it is live. All right, so now jumping into something I feel like is a little more exciting, especially for you guys who are, streaming on YouTube now or just about to start streaming and you chose YouTube as your platform. We have a post here from Ryan Wyatt, who is the global head of gaming at YouTube. And we're going to go through this and break down. There's some cool innovative things going on with YouTube's live streaming and gaming in general. A lot of these things are kind of just catching up with Twitch, but it's a step in the right direction, and I think this is some really good stuff. So let's break down this article. Gaming on YouTube is evolving, and here's how we're evolving too. By the way, guys, I'm going to link this article down in the description below this video if you want to read through it yourself. I'm not going to read through it word for word. I kind of skimmed through and took out some points for you guys to discuss that are, being implemented. And the number one thing here that's really cool that they are implementing that everyone has been asking for on YouTube is gifted subs or gifted memberships. Memberships are YouTube's form of subs on Twitch. So you will now be able to do some gifted memberships, which is huge for a lot of people, and that is supposed to be coming in early 2022. So let's hope that they stick to that schedule, because gifted memberships is a huge step in the right direction. I know a lot of people who moved to YouTube that already had a following were lacking this feature, and obviously they're going to take a huge decrease in revenue if they're on Twitch. And there's people gifting subs left and right, and then they move over to YouTube, and that's no longer a feature. So that is being worked on, and that should be coming, like I said, early 2022. So that's a great thing for YouTube streamers. The next thing I want to talk about is live stream redirect, which is quote unquote raids from Twitch. On YouTube, there's going to be an option for streamers to, if they're ending their stream or if they want to raid another streamer, you could send all your viewers from your stream over to that other streamer's page. And that's something that's been around on Twitch for a long time, and it's been lacking on YouTube. So it's good to see that they are going to be implementing that on YouTube's live streaming. So that's a really good thing. Like I said, a lot of these are all kind of like catch-up things to catch up with Twitch, but all steps in the right direction, and it shows that they're thinking about it and that they want to make these changes and want to make YouTube live streaming and gaming a bigger thing. They're actually paying attention to it, which is awesome. Another feature, which is this is a really cool feature. They are going to be implementing the ability to take clips from your live streams and turn them into shorts right on the platform. This is huge because, Twitch has like the clipping feature and all that, but they're not browsable or anything. And YouTube Shorts have, drastically increased in popularity and are gaining a lot of people some serious discoverability and viewership and subscribers. So being able to live stream on YouTube, right, for, let's say you're streaming for 3 to 4 hours at a clip, and then going back and taking clips out of that live stream, making them vertical and turning them into, sub 1 minute shorts and having them posted on your channel with discoverability is huge. This is like what I think is going to set YouTube apart from Twitch. I don't know, let me know down in the comments below if you guys feel any differently, but I feel like this is a huge feature that Twitch is lacking, and I think this is going to be a massive thing that YouTube live streaming has over Twitch in the long run. And then another change that they have going on is some chat and moderation changes that was lacking. I mean, for those of you who already watch some YouTube live streams or are streaming on the platform yourselves, you know that the chat and moderation and all that, it's pretty clunky and kind of weird. So they're going to be working more on that stuff as well. But yeah, that's it, guys. These are all the changes coming. A lot of things happening with YouTube gaming and YouTube live streaming. We got the boost feature coming to Twitch. Like I said, I'm in the middle with that feature. I don't know if it's going to be bad or good. A lot of people are really hating on it, and I can see why, and I do kind of feel a little pessimistic about it, but it could be a good thing. We don't know. I guess we're going to just have to kind of wait and see and try it out. I don't like to trash anything until I've tried it. But yeah, guys, so that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of all these changes and what platform you guys are streaming on, and if you're thinking about switching to a different one. I do want to know, because I kind of like reading through this data and seeing how people feel and what's going on in the streaming world. It's constantly evolving. Good things coming from YouTube, maybe good things coming from Twitch. We're not 100% sure. I still love Twitch. I love both platforms, to be honest, but let me know how you guys feel down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really does help me out in the algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel and turning on those post notifications. And just so you all know, I do stream on Twitch Monday through Friday, usually at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I do post my weekly schedule in the Discord and on YouTube, pretty much, and on Twitter, pretty much everywhere. If you want to follow me on Twitter at Hammerdance, because some nights I start at 9 p.m. instead of 7 p.m., but generally 7 p.m. Eastern time on Twitch, Monday through Fridays when I go live. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. So keep those hammers up. I'll see you next time.